here are the three musketeers, trying to learn to trust me. I've got some nice little treats that I'm sending them. You okay, you guys? I'm sorry about the barking. We're very noisy people here, haven't we? And I think they're all your relatives. I do. Don't be scared. It's all right. Oh, don't shake. Please, babies, don't shake. It's okay. Beautiful dogs, aren't you? You're beautiful. Yeah, sweetie. Yeah, did you fancy that? Come on. Come on. There we are. Oh, what a good dog. What a good dog. Hi. Hi. So I'm Sylvia. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, be brave. Oh, don't shake, my darlings. Don't shake. It's gonna be alright. Here, sweeties. Here. Oh, it's a good darling. Now I'm going to see these three. They're all in their kennel. One boy who's more friendly, and the two girls who are so scared. Oh, one of you's been moved. I wonder what happened. Nobody's told me. There we are, puppets. So you've got wax for me, haven't you? Hello, darlings. What do you think? You must try these. They're really good. Try them. You try them. There. What good dogs. What good dogs. A clever dog, yes. Clever, can you have that? You can have it. Oh, good dog. Good dog. Okay, Lily, come here, darling. Come here. Sorry about all the barking. Everyone's gone home. It should be quiet. But isn't it, darlings? Good dogs. So this one is so scared it's been trying to jump out. We have good high fencing with an overhang. Don't know if you can see. So this is Brian, and he's only muzzled in case he flips out. He showed no signs of that. We're just doing it for his own sake, and he's having his bath, so he'll be a glamour dog. This is a dog that needs help, and if you really, really love dogs and would really like to help a big, soft guy who's very frightened, it's going to take a long time and a lot of help, but maybe you could be the person for him. Please, please don't think, oh, it's going to be too much work, because it's going to be so much reward. Beautiful Brian was so well behaved. He had a bath and he's working on the lead. He's a bit unsure, but he's the most beautiful dog, very gentle for a dog that's so scared. He'd love a home, and he's good with other dogs. So please, please, if you can help him and you have good fencing, please ask about Brian.